everyone! Welcome back to my channel. My name is Mary and I am a work-from-home mom. Well, I pretty much vlog about love, work, adventure, and lifestyle. So if you are thinking about taking that leap of faith and you want to learn how to work from home or you want to know exactly kung ano yung ginagawa ng mga work from home moms na kagaya ko, you are in the right channel. So please don't forget to subscribe. Morning! Good morning! Another day, another vlog. Today is June 12. It is almost 2 in the afternoon. Order na lang kami ng takeout kasi namin ko nilisten dito sa bahay. Hindi ko lang gusto magsisimula, pero I know, kailangan ko na siyang simulan. Kasi mamaya, pag nagkaroon na ng water, di ba nagkakaroon lang ng water dito sa amin? 6. So, pag may tubig na, kailangan ko lang magsimulang maglaba. Kasi napakarami ko rin labahin. For now, linis muna tayo ng bahay. Hopefully, makatapos tayo at least half of the chores. Ang hirap pagka galing ka sa bakasyon, lalo na yung napakatagal na bakasyon na wala ako sa bahay. Kasi syempre, ang daming na anong linisin. One thing I do when we clean the house is I want to make sure na there's space for everything. Hindi man ganun kalinis, at least I know where to find what I need to use, when I need to use them. For example, gears, moto camping gears. So that include this. Ito yung tent namin. Ito yung bag namin. Andito yung kapote. Ito yung laman ng cabinet ni Papa sa baba. Doon siya. Doon nakalagay. Ito yung lahat. Actually, ito, mga uniforms, ititiklop ko to, ilalagay ko sa bag kasi hindi naman siya gamit for about 2 months and I think the boys need new uniforms. Di ko alam, baka for donation na sila. For now, tapos ko muna yung paglilinis kasi meron pa kami lilinisin sa baba. Morning. Boom! Hi! Grabe yan. Want to start my day fixing myself up bago ako magsimula sa lahat ng pending kong work. I want to be able to at least freshen up. I'll make it part of my day then to exercise like it's a necessity, like it's work. 3 tablespoons of apple cider, 2 cream silk, tsaka 2 stem of aloe vera. Let's see if effective siya. Actually, na-try ko na before pero parang wala namang difference sa just conditioner. So, ngayon dinagdagan ko siya ng aloe vera. I also have Indian clay on my face. Babalawan ko na siya ngayon. Hopefully, effect naman tong pagpaparelax kong ito. Para naman ma-achieve ko pa din yung zen vibe after the trip bago sumabak sa work. Loving the weekend. I think almost 4 in the afternoon. Nag-ayos na sina Papa sa baba nung batos. But for now, parang feel ko mag-relax. Hindi ko alam kung anong unahin ko. Magre-relax pa ako. Magpapa-facial hair color pa ako. I'm also thinking about editing. What I love about weekend is I actually have the time to do what I want to do in my own time. I also want to work. So, depende pa sa mood ko. For now, kakatas lang namin magtiklop ni Kuya. So, iniisip ko, nag-log-in muna ako sa work. My friends are asking what I do when I'm not on Facebook kasi kakatapos lang ng 1 week na detox po. And my answer is, well, pretty much the same. I have family to maintain, I have work, I have everything that I need even if I'm not on Facebook. Going out for a quick walk.
bitches love me cause I'm so fly, so fly, so fly. All the bitches love me cause I'm so fly, so fly, so fly. All the bitches love me cause I'm so fly, so fly, so fly. All the bitches love me cause I'm so fly, so fly, so fly. All the bitches love me cause I'm so fly, so fly, so fly. All the bitches love me cause I'm so fly, so fly, so fly. All the bitches love me cause I'm so fly, so fly, so fly. All the bitches love me cause I'm so fly, so fly, so fly. All the bitches love me cause I'm so. All the bitches. All the bitches love me cause I'm so fly, 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 fly.
Pero mo na! Hey! Hey! Asawa. Vlog. Say hello. So that pretty much sums up my day. So nakapag-jogging ako. Actually, hindi siya jogging eh. Walking for about 2 hours. Edit ng vlog, work, kain, tulog. Yun lang yung ginagawa namin talaga pag work week. And then, yung adventure pretty much happens over the weekend. Unless we choose na lumabas ng bahay pagka weekdays. And mostly malls lang. So, yun. I hope you guys enjoy kasi it's almost 9 na. I wanna be able to edit some clips pa. I'll see you on our next video. And guys, don't forget to subscribe. Bye!